Justin Beal.
Okay, let's reload. Now, if I go to the root, what happens? It brought me to the dashboard. That's cool. I sign out. It goes to login, sign in. It goes to dashboard. It'd be nice if it didn't flick like that. Wonder if there's a way inside the login itself to do that. So like wherever we're clicking this Google logo, we're signing in on click, sign in with Google. Let's ask real quick, is there a way to automatically redirect to the dashboard once sign in is complete? Question mark. I see it quickly returns back to the login page and then redirects to the dashboard. Okay, so then sign on click. Oh, there's a callback. To ensure automatically redirect to the dashboard is complete without the intermediate, you can use the sign in function's callback URL to directly navigate. I love that. And that makes it better so that way we don't have this little chunk here. Okay, so if we just take this right here, this on click, let's try changing that to this callback URL here. And then we shouldn't actually need this because we might want people to be able to go to the login page, even if they're not authenticated. Maybe they want to navigate there or do something. So let's try real quick again. So if we sign out, sign in, continue. That's beautiful. That's much better. I appreciate you joining me on this journey, and have a great day and happy coding. Till next time.